An ATM theft was carried out in just 7 minutes in Belgavi. The miscreants used a gas cutter machine to break open the ATM located on the main road in Samra village of Belgavi Taluk. The targeted ATM belonging to SBI had 75,000 rupees in cash which was stolen by the gang. To avoid being recorded, they sprayed the CCTV cameras inside the ATM before executing the theft. After securing the cash, the gang quickly escaped from the spot. Later, they attempted another ATM theft in Ajara village of Kolhapur, Maharashtra. However, as daylight broke, their plan was disrupted, forcing them to abandon the attempt and flee. The police have reviewed the CCTV footage of the first theft, which captured the crime in progress. Officials suspect that the gang involved had previously committed similar thefts in different parts of the state. There are indications that a group originating from North India may be responsible for the crime. City Police Commissioner Yada Martin visited the scene and conducted an inspection, gathering details from officials about the incident.
I'm Mr. R.L. I'm also working for area. Please tell me like how this will work. There is a bar. They have broken the entire bar. It gets stuck here. So that also they have broken it. So they have cut it from here. It is like this. This is the entire bar. This is the entire bar. This is like this. They have cut over this. They have cut over. With the help of gas weapons.
It means they know where to cut. Because I think it's I think if I'm not mistaken, there's a fail-safe mechanism in your ATM. If you try to cut anywhere, it will shut down completely.
Sir, anywhere it is very difficult to cut, but now with the help of gas cutter, they are doing everything.
When I was ASP, I was the same place. Okay. So they are like that, and then it's there I came to know. Now I don't know if this European or Indian so they said that if you cut here, you cut there, in this part, you will not be able to open. Fail safe delivery, I mean, fail safe mechanism is there. So for, I think, last cut of this.
to...
Yes, sir.
Sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.